What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of the Goodwill. Let's head inside and see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. All right, here we go. All right, let's go check out, I guess, the electronics. See what we can find. These Sony 5-disc changers right down there, 5 CD changer. These can be pretty darn good. This is the CDP CE235, and I'll pop a listing up here on the screen for you guys. Now, these are usually worth pretty good money. They sell pretty good. The only thing is there's no remote for this. I always like to have a remote if I'm going to be selling it on Amazon, which is where I usually sell these. That's where you could get the most money for them. No remote included. Got to pay an extra 20 bucks for that. I don't know if it works. They only have a 2-day return policy here, and I probably have 10 of these I still need to test. So even though there's good money in it, I'm going to leave it behind. So we just looked at the Sony down there, and take a look at that. We have another one right here. This is the CDP CE415. Again, no remote. Price on it, $12. What was the price on the other one? Let's take a quick look at that. What do we have here? $12. Okay, so pretty set standard pricing. This is $8 for just a regular. Actually, this is a DVD recorder. I don't see the brand anywhere on it, so I don't know what's up with that, but yeah, decent stuff. I turned around and I found a brand new sealed Rubik's Cube. Kind of cool, but you know, they don't sell for that much money. They sell really fast. They're selling super fast. Lots of great reviews. Obviously, it's a Rubik's Cube. Everybody knows what that is, but $6.60, $8.61 on Amazon, so you'd make between $2 and $4. And I think they want like $3 for it, so we'll leave it. The toy section here is looking kind of bare. I mean, it looks packed, but there's just nothing good here this time. As you guys can see, it's mostly just no-name brand stuffed animals. Actually, that's a SeaWorld. Oh, 1987 SeaWorld. Okay, first one I pick up is a plush from 1987. Is this Shamu? Okay, this might be worth something. I'm gonna look this up real quick. All right, I looked little Shamu up, and he has one sold. $17.50. Now, you know, he's probably only $1. That's definitely worth it. But one thing you got to take into account is how many are listed at the moment. So let's get rid of the sold listings and the completeds and see what we got. There's somebody selling one for $6.99, $19.99, $13.99 in a pair, $14.99. So there's a bunch listed and only one has sold, and that sold back in November of last year. For reference, it's February of 2022, so he's got to stay behind. What else do we have down here? Yeah, pretty much all the stuffed animals are $1. This big guy has a 3 and a 1, and it has a Spider-Man tag on its butt. I don't know what's going on there. But yeah, I'm not really seeing much in the toy section today. It's all right. There's still a lot of store to go. We still have a lot to take a look at. Oh, what's this? Oh, I looked these up last time. They're not worth anything. All right, so I left the electronics and the toys because I wasn't finding anything. I came to the media, and this is my pile that I got of good stuff. Got Sweet Country, brand new sealed for $2. Perry Mason, I can't find this season 1 volume 1. I'm gonna have to do a little more research, but it's only $2 and I think it's worth it. Hitler thing for $2. And the Vicar of Dibley? Don't even know who this is, never heard of this, but you would think this would be worth a lot. Guys, take a look on the screen right here, brand new sealed. This is selling for about $200, and used it's selling for what, like 15? It's kind of crazy that somebody would spend $200 on this just because there's a piece of plastic wrapped around it. I never understand that, but hey, you know what? I'll still take my 15 bucks, and it's only 2. Alright, so I moved on over to the books because the media was pretty picked over besides what I found. And take a look. First thing I grabbed, King Cat Classics. It's a whole comic series. It's pretty dense. It's $2, as with most hardcovers here. And if you take a look, you can see used it's selling for $18.20. Prime is coming in at $24.99, and brand new, guys, it's $83. What a huge drastic difference. The rank is pretty high at 2.5 million, so this could take a quite a long time to sell, maybe 6 months or so, maybe a little bit more. But it's only $2. I'm gonna list it around that $24.99 price and probably make about $10 to $15 when it's all said and done, so not bad. All right, guys, we found another book. I'm looking at the books I normally never do, but take a look at this. This thing was interesting. It's only $1 because it's a paperback. You can see all the paperbacks are $1, all the hardcovers are $2 here. And it's another kind of comic type thing. The rank, so yeah, the rank is a bit high, but it should sell faster than that other book for $18.71. Make $8.31 minus my dollar, so just over $7. Not bad. All right, still checking out the books, and down below I find all these cool Winnie the Pooh books for $1 each. Now, I scanned 2 of them in, and brand new they're selling for about $10 to $12. Used they're selling for about $6. So there's no money to be made on Amazon, but I'm thinking if I bought 1, 2, 3, 4 of them for $4, lot them up on eBay for, I don't know, $20 or so, maybe I'd get a sale. I'm gonna look into that a little bit further. The other thing I found is this Look and Find book. I have a little collection of these at my house. Now, I'm not really into Frozen. I like the movie, it was pretty good, but it's, I just love these kind of try to find the object books. I have a Spider-Man one and a couple others, and I like them, they're fun, so I might get this for myself, even though it's Frozen. It's only $1, so we'll stick it in the cart. These are a big maybe. And then I look over here and we have a whole bunch of sexual intimacy books, $2 each. And I've been noticing that there's a lot of the same book here. So we have all of these for $2 each, all these Red Mutinies for $1 each, all these Children of the Wild West for $1 each. There's just so many of the same book. There's a whole bunch of the same over there. Sadly, none of them are worth anything. What do we have here? A sealed Scholastic book lot, kind of interesting. I didn't look this up, but I'll show you guys how I do it. So I'll take my Amazon seller app, I'll open up the barcode scanner, we'll hit that barcode up, and let's take a look. So here it is. The rank is really high, only selling for $11.99 brand new. You'd make $3 after fees because Amazon takes $8.74. It is what it is. Here we go, we have a rare find over here, and that's because it's a brand new book. And how I could tell that it's a brand new book, it's still sealed. You never see this. It's $1, I scanned it in, take a look. The rank is much better. It's closer to 1. 1 is the best selling item on Amazon, and the higher the rank, the longer it takes to sell. But this is pretty good. Brand new, $12.99, but Amazon's in it at $18, so I'll price closer to that 18, and I'll actually make probably like $6 or $7 on it, so I'll take that. This is kind of cool, guys. Guinness World Records. Do you remember these books? They're all $2 each. I see it all the way back to 2001. Another 2001. This one, 1999. Holy cow, and it seems like it goes all the way up to 2012 here. 2017. That is pretty nuts. I don't think these have value. Maybe if you lot a bunch of them up, I'm not sure. I'm gonna look into it a little bit because that's kind of neat. So in lots, they actually sell pretty well on eBay. You can see a lot of 10. That's paperback. Here we go, a lot of 5 right there, sold for 20 plus 12 shipping. A lot of 2 for 10. A lot of 14 for 50 plus 30 shipping. Not bad. 41 for 70. 5 for 22, so that's pretty interesting. 10 for 40. Now if they were $1 each, I'd grab them all, but they're $2 each. That kind of hurts the margins quite a bit. Maybe I'll wait until they're half off and just hope that they're still here. I actually don't know what color is half off today. These are blue, so when we get to the front of the store, I'm pretty positive it's not blue, but we'll take a look and see what color it is. So I just went through the entire book section. That's where I saw the Guinness Book of World Records right there. And there's more. There's so many here. It's kind of wild. It's a shame that they're $2 each. That one's red priced. That one's yellow. Okay, so the colors are all over the place. Yellow. Oh, and these ones are $3 though. Holy moly. Oh, there's more right there. What the heck? There's so many of them. Man, I wish they were $1 each. I would definitely try to grab them at $1. Red is 50% off, so we'll see if any of those books are red. I thought I saw that one. I don't know if there's any others though. Let's see. Yeah, they're all yellow on this side besides that one, and that one's really damaged. So those are all yellow over there also. So I will leave them. All right, guys. So I'm flipping on all the children's books right now, and I'm seeing these cool little graphic novels and stuff. I thought this Batman would be worth some money. It's pretty neat, and it's only $1. You can see it right here. I mean, it is worth something. It's worth $11, and you'd only make $2.40 after fees, so wouldn't really be worth it. But this surprised the heck out of me. The Advanced Art of Stop Motion Animation. It's supposed to come with a disc, and the disc is right back there. Let's scan this in real fast, and you guys will see what I saw. Look at that. Now, a bit of a higher rank. It'll still sell, but $100. What? That is absolutely insane. So this is going right in the cart. Awesome. I like that. And then I always like to make lots. Oh, is this another one of those I Spy type things? Yeah, look and find snowman. $1. I'm taking that. I love those things so much. But we got a little Lion King book over here with some magnets. So I'm finding all these Disney books, big Disney books. This one's $2. A lot of them are only $1 though. And where's the other one? We have big Lion King back here. That one's pretty cool. I feel like a lot of these could be worth it. I don't know. Is this another Disney? Yeah, that's Frozen though. That's too new. There's stuff everywhere. Was that Swiss Family Robinson? Yes, it was. And then we got Muppets, Muppet Dictionary. There's just a bunch of crazy stuff here. The Ghost of Windy Hill. You never know what's valuable. I did not think that animation book was going to be valuable, and it's extraordinarily valuable. So I'm just scanning. I'm going to see what I can find. So this coat caught my eye right here, this North Peak Extreme. I thought that was kind of cool, but I was flipping through, and then I found this Harley Davidson, brand new with tags, double XL, big graphic on the front. Goteborg, Sweden? I don't know how to say that, guys. Pretty cool, brand new with tags, and they want $7.99 for it, so $8. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. So we just left the Goodwill. You can tell it is completely pitch black outside. You can't really see in the trunk, but I did end up grabbing the Harley Davidson. I figured for $8. It's brand new with tags. It's from Sweden. There's gotta be money in it. I don't know. So definitely some cool finds today. I'm super stoked, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions at all. I'll do my best to answer them. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.